Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into how Abstra empowers human-in-the-loop automation with dynamic forms. With Abstra, you can create a new form agent whenever you need user interaction in your process, adding flexibility and adaptability to your workflows. We offer a range of ready-made widgets, including fields for names, emails, phone numbers, dates, file uploads, ratings, and even camera input, making data collection seamless and efficient. Our forms agents are dynamic and feature adaptive logic. You can connect them with multiple data sources and handle real-time requests and responses, ensuring your forms meet complex process demands. As seen in our prior credit onboarding example, you can initiate processes with forms and incorporate intermediate validation steps throughout. You can utilize them at any stage, implement multi-level validations that fully adapt to your business rules, and send notifications through your choice of platforms, like email, Slack, or others. Our forms are also fully responsive and can be branded according to your needs, providing a consistent, professional appearance across platforms. Benefit from enhanced security with robust access control and compliance with international security standards, safeguarding your data at each step. In summary, Abstra leverages your workflows with human-in-the-loop dynamic forms, real-time integration, customizable validation, responsive and branded designs, and enhanced security, all designed to streamline your processes efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you have more questions, please contact us on the Discover server.